Congratulations, you've finished year 13 and the worst part of your life is over, but StudyTime still has your back, so here are some tips for transitioning to university. If you've watched any StudyTime video by now, you know the importance of creating a good habit. In high school, it's pretty easy to get into the habit of writing down notes from the whiteboard as quickly as possible, but in uni, all the whiteboard notes are published online, and those are not what you're paying literally thousands and thousands of dollars to see. What you want to be doing is focusing on what the lecturer is saying and making sure that you're actually paying attention in class and engaging with what the lecturer is going on about. All right, and then I'll give you it'll be a funny thing. No. It's like you're filming me give a lecture and then the camera flips around and the only person in the lecture is you. Every uni student's life is a mess, that's just a fact. At some points in the year, you will have to manage 5 assignments, a full-time job, and a wild social life all at once. And that's where apps come in. Use technology to your advantage. Momentum for desktop, Timetable, and Google Calendar are personal favorites that will make your life less of a shambles. All right, and then film me trying to stand up. Sleep. It's one of those annoyingly wholesome cliche things that your mum keeps telling you. But StudyTime is your cool mum and we're still telling you to suss your sleep. I got kind of distracted because it's a man. Sleep expert Matthew Walker, professor of neuroscience and psychology at the University of California, Berkeley, found that psychological deterioration happens 16 hours being awake. So basically your mind can't process new memories without getting 8 hours. The second reason is that morning lectures suck when you're tired. So try suss those 7 to 9 hours every day. Apple has a built-in bedtime function on the clock that will help you get those 8 hours, because bedtimes are cool. Hey, can I please get an iced Americano? Yeah, cool, thank you. 2 things are inevitable in uni, caffeine addiction and readings, and the important thing is to suss both of them out early. Although you can kind of wing half reading your readings in high school, you can't do that with uni. So the important thing is to split into manageable chunks that you can accomplish over the whole year so you can dominate uni life. Pack your own lunches because paninis at uni cost $7,000. High school doesn't really give you that much of an understanding about careers and what kind of options are out there, basically because their presentations are pretty average, although shout out to the attitude guys. At uni there are some pretty dope career talks though, and some of them can give you a pretty cool perspective into how the real world works. And also, there's free food sometimes. My last piece of advice is to pick subjects that you like, and don't worry about trying to plan out your entire 5-year degree at age 8. No, my degree is 5 years, other people's degrees aren't 5 years. Steve Jobs randomly went into a calligraphy class one time at uni, and that's the reason why Apple computers have such great typefaces. So don't worry about trying to plan your entire degree and career at age 18 because you won't be able to do it. And everyone's classes are a lot different 3rd year than 1st year. My biggest piece of advice for that is to go see a career counselor. They are super helpful for helping you pick subjects that you want to do and also helping to fit your whole entire degree around it so you feel like you do have a plan. So that's it. Don't worry too much, uni's pretty sick, just get amongst. It's boss time.